Hi kids, welcome back once again. So now this is your Anjali ma'am and today I am going to start bookwork of chapter number 13, measurements. Okay, so now I am going to start. Open your book of science, page number 100. First of all, I am going to start with objective type questions, and first is name the following, like this. Okay, and today we will do bookwork plus question answers. Question answers I will explain you and then I will be sending you the assignment and you have to complete that assignment. Okay, and bookwork you have to do the bookwork only in book, not in notebook. First is name the following: the length of the arm from the tip of the finger to the elbow. From the tip of the finger to the elbow. So the answer is, tell me. The answer is cubit. Yes. So cubit. Second is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger on your outstretched hand. So this is hand span. Okay. Now number 3 is a unit of measurement that does not change. जो change नहीं होती है. So standard unit. The answer is standard unit. और जो change होती है non standard unit. A device used to measure weight. वो कौन सा डिवाइस है जो वेट को मेजर करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है? बैलेंस, कॉमन बैलेंस, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस. The quantity of liquid that a container can hold is referred to its capacity. नेक्स्ट इज द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस. आपको डिग्रीज बताई जाती है हॉटनेस की, ज़्यादा गर्मी की और ज़्यादा ठंड की. सो इट्स कॉल्ड टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट इज सर्कल द ऑड वन. दिस इज कॉमन बैलेंस, दिस इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस, and this is temperature. So this one is odd. So make a circle on it like this. So next is hand span and this is cubit. Both are non-standard units, but scale is standard unit. Clock, this is again clock and this is watch, and these two are watch, and this is this is measuring cup. So this is different now. So I will make a circle on it like this. Now next is scale. This is measuring tape and this is balance. So it is different. Now I will make a circle on it like this. Next are true and false. Foot span involves the measurement of length by the size of the foot. This is right or wrong? This is right. Yes. So, true. Cubit is a standard unit of measuring length? No, false. Cubit is non-standard unit. Longer lengths are measured in meters? Right. It means true. Light objects are measured in kilograms? No, this is wrong. Light objects are measured in gram. So this is false. Measuring cups are used to measure liquids? True. Time is measured on the centigrade scale? No, temperature is measured on the centigrade scale. This is false. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds? Yes, it's true. Now match the following. First is shorter length. Show shorter length. Yes, shorter length. It means सेंटीमीटर. हम शॉर्टर लेंथ को मेजर करते हैं सेंटीमीटर में. Heavy objects. Heavy objects. It means kilogram. 60 minutes. It means 1 hour. Foot span. Foot span is non-standard unit of measurement. Temperature, degree of hotness or coldness. Electronic balance. Electronic balance, it means weight. Yes. Thermometer is used to measure the fever. Quantity of liquid that a container can hold. Capacity. Is that okay? Now, next is, first of all we will do MCQs. After that I will explain you the answers of these questions. Okay. So first is unit for measuring liquids. Liquids को measure करने के लिए कौन सी यूनिट्स हैं? मिनट्स और सेकंड्स? नो, दिस इज मेजरिंग टाइम. मीटर सेंटीमीटर? नो, दिस इज मेजरिंग लेंथ. एंड लीटर मिलीलीटर? यस. सो दिस वन इज राइट. The length of the arm from the tip of the finger to the elbow, hand span, foot span, meter or cubit? Tell me. So the answer is cubit. Next is, all these are standard measuring devices except ruler, clock, stick, thermometer. Stick कोई डिवाइस नहीं है. मेजरिंग कप्स आर यूज टू मेजर. मेजरिंग कप्स का हम यूज करते हैं किस लिए? कैपेसिटी, लेंथ, वेट और टेम्परेचर. कैपेसिटी. इज दैट ओके? नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एक्सप्लेन द आंसर्स ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट डज मेजरिंग समथिंग टेल अस? मेजरिंग क्या बताता है? सो मेजरिंग tells us the specific size of something. Measuring tells us the specific size of something. Number 2 is, what are non-standard units of measurement? Measurements की non-standard units कौन कौन सी है? So hand span, foot span and cubits are non-standard units of measurements. Why are they called so? आप इनको ऐसे क्यों बुलाया जाता है? Because these units vary from person to person. These units vary from person to person. Number 3 is, how do we measure length? What is the unit of length? हम length को कैसे measure करते हैं? So we use tools such as rulers and measuring tapes to measure the length of the things, and meter is the standard unit of length. Longer length are measured in meters while shorter lengths are measured in centimeters. Next is, what is capacity? So the quantity of liquid that a container such as a bucket, mug and jug can hold is referred to as its capacity. How are measuring cups useful? Measuring cups का क्या use है? वो कैसे useful हैं? So measuring cups are used to measure liquids. So measuring cups are made of clear glass or plastic. They have marking on the outside and a handle and spout for easy pouring. Next is, how do we define temperature? हम temperature को कैसे define कर सकते हैं? So temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness. We use a thermometer to measure temperature. And temperature is measured on the centigrade scale. How do clocks and watches tell us time? So clocks and watches tell us time in hours, minutes and seconds. हमें टाइम कैसे बताती है? आवर्स में बताती हैं, मिनट्स में बताती हैं और सेकंड्स में बताती है. And now I will be sending you the assignment of these questions. You have to complete it. Now it's time to go. So take care and goodbye. Now I will come back very soon with another interesting chapter. Chapter number 14. And the name of the chapter is Weather, Air and Water. And then we will talk about these. We will talk about weather, air and water in next class. So take care and goodbye.